Hello and welcome to my channel about Unity development. Today I'm going to talk about Unity Assets. The Unity Asset Store is a very powerful feature that Unity has got. Unity Asset Store is the first place that I look into whenever I need help with my project. I personally have spent quite a bit on buying Unity Asset already, and in this video I'm going to talk about what asset I use in every project or every other project. Some of them are free and some of them have both free and paid version. I will leave the link of each asset in the description below. The first one is Odin Inspector. Odin Inspector is very powerful when it comes to create custom Unity editor for your game. It allows developers to create custom inspector easily, so it is useful to create the editor to let your designer to edit game data. If you spend a lot of time editing data on editor, or currently Unity editor doesn't provide the way that you want to edit your data, please make sure to check this out. Next is DoTween. DoTween is a tween library that I use whenever I need to make a tween of any object in Unity. It allows you to easily move and rotate objects or create sequence of movement, and it's really fast too. It has both free and paid version. I suggest you to definitely consider this in your project. The next one is Localization. If your game needs to support different languages, you have got to check this one out first. Basically, it allows you to implement localization in your game easily. It lets you use Google Document to link and synchronize the translation between the cloud and the editor. Also, it does more than just changing the text in text field, as you can change audio or sprite to match with the desired language. Easy Save is very powerful when you want to save your game data locally on your device. If you are frustrated with using Unity default player fat system, then this one will be the one you need. It supports saving data other than float, string, and boolean. You can save all the transform object information using one line of code. Also, it has an encryption feature that allows you to store data safely. Anti-cheat Toolkit is the asset that I use when I need to stop players from cheating my game. Basically, it provides a very useful features to stop players to cheat in your game. If you want extra security in your game data, don't forget to check this one out. DoozyUI is a complete UI solution for your game. It provides a very good way to manage your user interface. It has a graphical editor to let you design your own user interface behavior, and with the help of DoTween along with the asset, it lets you easily to make your user interface alive. It also provides solution on your project other than user interface, so remember to check this out if you're interested. Editor Console Pro is very useful when it comes to debugging your game. I think it is very useful. It helps me a lot when I need to print stuff out on console when debugging. LeanTouch is a free asset for you to easily implement touches on your game. Everything is well documented and has features that most likely useful for your game. LeanTouch Plus is a paid version that includes example of using the LeanTouch asset, which if you are not sure on how to write specific features using the asset, you can buy and explore his example. Object pooling is quite important when it comes to instantiate the same game object over time on mobile devices. LeanPool is another free asset developed the same guy of the previous one. It provides a very good API to let you instantiate game object without having to worry too much about the performance. The last one is more effective coroutine. If you constantly need to use coroutine, I suggest you to check this one out. It produces more efficient coroutine in Unity. You can also pause or kill coroutine, or even to check if the coroutine is still running or not using its API. There is a free version and a paid version. I think it is very useful. And that is every asset that I want to recommend to use in your project. Leave me a comment if you have anything you want to say about the asset that I mentioned above. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit a like on this video. See you next time. Goodbye.